All right, folks. So how you doing today? Today we're going to take a good look at online entrepreneur certification, getting started level 1. This is a 100% free course. You can sign up in the link in the description below here. It's 10 lessons. It's for affiliate marketing training. You also get 2 free websites to start with. So let's check this out. So this is a 10 lesson course that is part of the Wealthy Affiliate Online Entrepreneur Certification. It'll walk you through the steps of creating a successful online business that generates revenue. This Getting Started course level 1 is your first step to realizing your potential as an online business owner. So this is really cool. I'm just going to go in here quickly. Some of the benefits and the outcomes of the course. Learning how to immediately get immersed in the awesome community here at WA. Create and start working towards a list of new financial and non-financial goals. Choose your starting point niche for your business. Learn how to optimize your website using WordPress. How to create quality website content that gets ranked. That's ranked in Google and other search engines. Quickly and easily create your own low competition keyword list. Discover the process of earning revenue online. Gain instant access to over almost 600,000 niches. Build your own successful website and a simple free way of marketing your site search and blah, 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 blah. I'm messing it up. A simple and free way of making your site search engine friendly. Understanding keyword research process. So pretty cool here. This is is 100% free. There's really a lot of testimonials in here. And these are real testimonials. You might have seen some of my other reviews where there's fake testimonials. These are actual people that are on the platform. Everyone gets a profile. This is Jay. He's been with them for 11 years. He actually does the live trainings too. But let's get him out of the way there. You may have seen this guy's website online before as well. He's one of the members here. That's his profile. And so these are real testimonials. There's not fake stuff. No fake Fiverr reviews like those other stupid courses. So anyways, so getting lesson 1 here, getting rolling, I should say. It's basically a basic overview of what affiliate marketing is and stuff like that. Choosing an interest, building a website, attract visitors, earning revenue. And it goes on and on and on. There's a lot of cool stuff here. There's a video here, a 30-minute video. So this is really in-depth stuff. It's something that'll take you, possibly a week to do or so, unless you do it real quick and you will go crazy. And then they give you like, a check-off list here, walk through the video, set up your account, complete, and then you go to the next lesson. Understanding how you make money online. Another video and more stuff, and basically describing how affiliate marketing works. If you're familiar with this stuff already, you could breeze through this stuff pretty quickly, but if you're brand new, this is a really great place to start. If you're more experienced, this is a great community as well. Once you get into the higher levels of training and stuff like that. So again, 100% free. You don't even need a credit card to sign up. Like, there's no trial membership. You just 100% free. Sign up in the link in the video description below. And let's keep looking at some of this stuff here. So this is a little chart of how affiliate marketing works. You have the customer, you create your site, and then you have your affiliate programs that you join from different companies. And then when people come to your site and they make a purchase from one of your affiliate links, you make money. It's a very simple concept. People have been doing it for a long time. Anyways, let's move along here. So I'm just going to do a quicker overview too. So lesson 3, where you choose your niche. So, you could choose pretty much anything that you're interested in. Some people do the online money making niche as well, which they have a different course for that as well. Then you have to build your website, set up your website, getting your site ready for search engines, creating your initial website content, creating your custom menu on your website, understanding keywords, and how to work the keyword system, and then on to the next step. Now again, this is 100% free. There are 2 free websites as well that are really quick and easy to set up in under 30 seconds, actually. I have other videos on that. So this is where you set up your website. This is lesson 5. Again, another video here. It's a 19-minute video. Log into your WordPress thing. And they go over everything. And again, the websites are here. These are some of mine. There's a whole site manager, site builder, your domains, content platform that you writer if you don't want to use the WordPress writer. And then another thing cool about the WA is you have site comments and site feedback. You can get feedback and comments on your websites from other members here. There's a huge community too, by the way. This is not the course. Let's take a look at that. I'm a premium member. Once you get the premium member too, you can have there's the other lessons, and you can decide for yourself. Take your time. Like I said, that's the free lesson there. There's 10 courses, and then you have the next courses here as well. Building your own traffic producing website, making money, all this other stuff. I'm not gonna go through everything, but this is really cool. And there's so much other training on here as well. Some of it's free, some of it's not. The affiliate bootcamp, the level 1, that's this course is 100% free too. And then there's training from members and stuff. I've learned so much from other members in the community here that they have their own training courses that they make, and you can make them as you go as well. When you can actually make money doing that as well. It's really cool. It's like all in one kind of thing here. And then there's different stuff. There's so much stuff actually. But the dashboard here, look at my dashboard real quick. You have your own blog on here as well, where you can network with other people. And there's no spam. It's all members of the community here. It's not like a Facebook group where we just constant spam and nonsense. This is his own platform, and you can go in here and do your own thing. Here's new premium members. People posting different things. Top 10 posts of the day. I've just arrived in Vegas. Every year they go to Vegas. If you get 300 sales, I'm at 299. I had 1 sale. It's only January right now, but so just a lot of stuff. Live events. This is for the paid members. Every Friday there's live classes, and you have the bootlegs, so the recordings of them too. So everything is here. So if you missed the live event, and some of that stuff is affiliate promotions, keyword stuff. These are usually about an hour long with a Q&A at the end. The good thing about watching live, you can ask questions, but if you're not live, you can also ask questions underneath the video, and someone will get back to you. There's a research tool for researching keywords, which is really cool. So, included with premium. So I'm already a premium member, so I'm not going to go through all this stuff actually. Let me give you this quick system tour, and then you can check a look for yourself. Okay, so this is my account and my profile. I have a profile here too as well. If you use my link below, actually, and I'll sign up under my link, I'll be contacting you, and then we can communicate as well. The activity dashboard is where you interact with other people. World-class training, that's what the training I showed you. Your websites, this is where you build your websites. Live events, that's where the live events were. Keyword and research platform, you can research keywords for your website. Live chat and coaching. 24/7 help center. And you can search everything on here too. There's all kinds of stuff you could find, useful information. You are a creator, that's where I could write my blog post, and I can make training too. After you're a premium member for a while, you can start making your own training. I forget what the exact rules are to get started with that. And then you get credits, which are good for currency and stuff like that. That's a different thing. And then they have their own affiliate program, of course, and they have a free course on training for that as well, which is really cool. And then the Super Affiliate Challenge, 300 sales within the year gets you to Vegas. They're in Vegas now, actually. So real-time professional notifications, and that's where your notifications are. And then private coaching, mentoring, interacting, that's your email and stuff like that. So it's really cool, folks. Just take a look. I mean, it's free. You have nothing to lose. There's no, whatever. Just put a link in your the link in the video description here. And I'll contact you. This is my profile here. You have like a little wall on your profile that I'm going to contact you on when you sign up. You have like this little wall down here. And you have a network of people and community and stuff like that. And then your little profile, you know, sign up, put your photo in, I'll make a little profile. And then I have my own blog here as well, where I communicate with people, and I have questions up here. And then I made some training as well for everyone in here. Other people make training. You can learn a lot from the other members here. It's a really cool community. So check it out. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.